Hey, what it do, guy? I'm out here, heading up here. Little parade with my goddamn partner there, man. Brought the Tahoe out. I also got that fin out. Got my boy Cad Cutlass out. So me, Cad, Tone, we just out here just riding for to go bullshit, cause some chaos. You know, crank that music up one time, let it go. You already know what it is. Alright.
Like, I love crossing boundaries. Cause guess what? Scared money don't make no money. If you gonna be scared to get that money, you gonna be scared to be yourself and say this who I am, then you ain't gonna get that coin like that.
Fuck up, going for the cash. Fuck up, going for the cash.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit $1 million lick. Ay, I'm tryna get it for my kids. Told her pop that pussy for the money, not the clout. Ay, I'm tryna see what you about. She's a very freaky girl, she know how to work the pole. Ay, make them throw a large amount. Real trap niggas and they ready to cash out. You ain't making shit if you just doing it for the clout. You ain't making shit if you just doing it for the clout. You just doing that shit for nothing. Ay, baby, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit $1 million lick. Ay, I'm tryna get it for my kids. Told her pop that pussy for the money, not the clout. Ay, I'm tryna see what you about. She's a very freaky girl, she know how to work the pole. Ay, make them throw a large.
Alright, so now we done round around bullshit. Alright, so my buddy Cash got them 2 avatars off in the cutlass. We trying to see just how much power we need to put on it. So we're finna run some jumping wire from the goddamn Tahoe over to the cutlass, and we're finna see what 2 avatar 12 take that 15K. That's what we're finna see. Alright, y'all watch that. Yeah, we need Allen key now. Alright, we got this long wire right here ran from his speakers out the trunk of that car. We're gonna run all the way over to that 9 truck here. Yeah. Yeah, we need Allen key. Gonna see exactly what she gonna do on some real fire. So we're gonna hook them 2 up to the Bay 15K and see what's going on here. Ooh, Lord, we're finna see what they been finna do that. Remember, power ain't nothing but power. All right. round two.
Let's see what we talking about. Y'all check it out. Good flex all over.